when he was asked to pray for King Avimelech to be healed from what God struck, he could have said, let him go to you know where. He deserves it. I have my own problems. But the truth is, a member of Am Yisrael is connected to the klal, connected to the public, the community. Even in this case, we're talking about a foe or possible enemy of Avraham Avinu, but right now he was plagued and he's being asked to pray for the health. And it says in verse 17 of the last chapter, Vayitpalel Avram el Elohim. He prayed to God for the health of Avimelech in the last chapter. And what did God do? Vayirpa Elokim et Avimelech. God, Yirpa, who is the Rofei? HaShem is the Rofei. We asked, why does it state Vashem Pakad? It should have stated Vayifkod. Some of you may know that there is the past tense, and there's something called the past present. Further, I think that's what it's called. It's further in the past. HaShem remembered Sarah, not now. HaShem remembered Sarah in the last episode when Avram was praying on behalf of King Avimelech to have him healed. Because Chazal taught us the principle from here. If you need something, if you're lacking something and you're praying to God for it, but you pray for someone else first, do you know who's going to be answered?
The one that prayed.
The one that's praying what he needs will be answered first. The reason why this section is connected to this last episode in chapter 20, Rashi brings the question, what does this section have to do with the fact that Sarah was taken as a hostage by Avimelech? The answer is, if you need something from God and you want His mercy, and you pray for someone else first, you're going to be answered first. That's the personality of Avraham Avinu. He cares for the klal, he cares for the public. In this case, even King Avimelech was causing him trouble. So that's the importance of the Jewish people that we see gloriously today. How everyone is giving their energy, resources, their time, prayers, doing mitzvot for the safety of our soldiers day and night. People are so klali, so giving up of themselves. Therefore, the Torah comes to show us in the change in structure. It doesn't say, and HaShem remembered Sarah, as if it's happening now. And therefore doesn't write Vayifkod HaShem, but rather Vashem Pakad. When did God remember Sarah? Back in the last chapter, when Avram was praying for the behalf of Avimelech. And Chazal say, you can see the words in Rashi in verse Pasuk 1 very eloquently. Samach Parsha Zulikan in chapter 21 verse 1, Rashi says, the Torah juxtaposed, put this section to the former one, L'lamedcha, to teach us. It's a Gemara Baba Kama that Rashi's quoting. Shekol ha'mevakesh rachamim al chavero, anyone that asks for mercy for his friend, v'hu tzarich lo to davar, and you yourself need the same matter, you need this remedy, you need this healing. Hu na natchila, you're going to be answered first. And it's learned from here that already God remembered Sarah when Avram was praying for the behalf of Avimelech. Tomorrow we'll continue with this matter and learn about what happens when Yishmael causes trouble at home. Can he be asked to leave the house? Can he be driven away? For this and more in tomorrow's shiur.